with the timing function on the ceiling dehumidifier. This video will provide a step-by-step explanation of how to set the timer and use it efficiently. Part 1. Initial time setting. Set the time on the ceiling dehumidifier. Hold the S button for 5 seconds until set appears at the top. Now it's 9:30. Press the up button to set the hour to 9. And then set S once to move to the minutes. Press the up button again to set the minutes to 30. If we needed to decrease the values, press the down button. After 5 seconds, the screen will return to the main display, and the top will show the time we just set. It's important to note that since there is no battery inside the switch, the initial time setting will need to reset. There is a power outage. Part 2. Timing switch setting. The dehumidifier's timing is okay to set for any time within a 0 to 24-hour range. Let us now set the automatic on/off feature. Press the S button and on will display. This step indicates the timer function is enabled, and we can use the up and down buttons to set the desired start time. Let us set it to 10:20 a.m. We have heard a pop sound just now, and that is because the dehumidifier has stopped working. It's currently in the off state because it is not yet 10:20 a.m. Similarly, we can set the shut-off time by pressing S again and selecting off. Set it to 17. Let us review what we have set so far. Here is the current time. The dehumidifier will automatically turn on at 10:20 a.m. and off at 17. You can perform scheduled operations according to actual usage requirements. It's important to note that the timing function is designed to help us arrange the dehumidifier working time. By setting a timer, you can ensure that the dehumidifier is running when needed, and all the steps are easy to operate. I'm Cloud from GetJoeAir. Thank you for watching.